Assalamualaikum. Myself Siamal Islam Aryan, ID 242333235. Now I am describing about RLC circuit. So what is RLC circuit? RLC circuit, introducing of RLC circuit. An RLC circuit is an electrical circuit consisting of a resistor, inductor, and capacitor connected in series or parallel. These circuits are fundamental in electronics and electrical engineering, especially in filtering, tuning, and signal processing. Number one, types of RLC circuit. Series RLC circuit. RL and C are connected. RL and C are connected across the same two nodes. Number two, key parameters. A. Impedance series J equals to R plus J omega L minus 1 omega C. J equals to R omega C1 parallel. J equals to R plus J omega C minus omega L Z1 equals to R1 plus J omega C minus omega L1, where J is the imaginary unit. Omega equals to 2 pi f omega equals to 2 pi f is the angular frequency. Number B, resonance frequency occurs when inductive and capacitive reactance cancel out. F equals to 1 by 2 pi root over LC. Quality factor indicates how understand the circuit is. Series Q equals to 1 by R root over L by C. Parallel Q equals to R root over C by L. Number 3. Applications. Tuning circuits, radios, TV, filters, low pass, high pass, band pass, oscillators, transients, response analysis. So thank you everyone. Assalamu alaikum.